What up guys, here we have vlog number 2. Now I'm just finishing up some office work, as you can see, time to head into the garage, and we are determined now today to get this truck done. That's it, today's the last day of it. We have to finish off the last of refining, get the whole truck IPA'd, and then seal the whole truck up. As you can hear in the background, two boys are flat out working away. Darren's working on the truck and the other fella's working on a full batch just landed this morning. So it's about time I join in the garage, so stay tuned, okay guys? Finally on the home straight, just these two wing mirrors to do, so 2 of these and the same the opposite side, and finally all the cutting stages and finished. They need to get it outside again. This is probably one of my biggest pet hates I have to do, which is get all the edges, but it's one of those things, if you don't do it, it's just lets the job down. There's nothing worse than back something like this, right? You get back a big polishing job like this. Dude goes to open this hatch, and all inside here is just compost. Most crowds leave this flying off. It annoys me so much. The only thing to do is, unfortunately, go over the whole lot of it. Alright, so guys, quick update. We didn't quite get to record as much as we wanted today. It's just we're under some serious pressure to get this truck finished. It needs to be on the road first thing in the morning. So at the moment it has been fully waxed. We're just waiting for the wax to cure. And yeah, so we're going to give about another half an hour for the wax to cure. We're going to start buffing it off, and then we're going to get it outside for some final shots. Quick look over, make sure everything's okay. And we're going to do a quick look around, show you guys the end result. And yeah, so stay tuned. Right, so guys, there you have it. We are finally finished this truck after 8 days, 5 days sanding, 2 days, if not 3, polishing, correcting, and then basically half of today sealing alone, okay? You can see the truck is behind me, it's still in the garage getting the last few finishing touches put over it, third dressing, a few other bits and pieces, right? We're about to pull it out. We're not going to show you the full finished result just yet because we are actually doing a portfolio video for this job. So unfortunately, you're going to have to wait for the portfolio video to come out before you can see the full finish, but we are going to show you a few bits of the portfolio, a bit of a sneak preview of what's to come, right? So guys, stay tuned. We're not done yet, but nearly there. Right, so we are finally finished this truck. We're on the inside of it for a change rather than the outside of it. We're just pulling it outside now. We want to do a quick swoop around, we're going to call it, right? Because what you do when you got a truck that looks this good and one of these bad boys, there's only one thing to do, I think. Wait till you see the proper follow-up video, guys. We're going to do a full portfolio video of this truck and all the work we've done to it, so that's what this next clip is for. We might show you a small bit of it in the vlog, but we really shouldn't be. We should keep it for the portfolio. But stay tuned, guys. Wait to see this next clip.